How you like skiing?
It's a challenge.
Pause, huh?
So.
Little pause there, huh? Let's see you go down the hill.
No.
Come on. I'm recording you.
Okay.
That's some skiing right there.
No pizza.
Come on. He's just showing his stuff because he's being recorded right now, but he'll be complaining soon. He's doing a great job.